Make money from your phone in 2024. I know you've seen such type of videos, how you can make money with your smartphone, how you can make money with your phone. But I want to talk to you, especially those of you who have small businesses and it is a need to market what it is that you are selling, and the avenue that you use to sell is your phone. A lot of you use WhatsApp. I've done a video in the past how to make money on your phone using WhatsApp, but the challenge with WhatsApp is that it is only people that you know that will be on your WhatsApp contact. And at some point, no matter how much you are posting on your WhatsApp, just putting your product or your service to people that you know is not going to be enough. You need strangers, you need people that don't know you to be able to discover your marketing leads, whatever you are selling, okay, online. And that is what we're going to be talking about today: how you can make money from your phone selling. Okay, I don't know what it is that you are selling. You could be selling a thrift business, you could be a food vendor, you could be anything. You could be selling clothes, you could be selling shoes and all of that, but you need to take it off your WhatsApp completely to a broader audience. And I'm going to be talking about Instagram and TikTok this 2024. If you're a small business owner, before we go on, I want you to tell me in the comment section what you sell, and also put a link to your Instagram page. All right, good. So the very first thing we are going to start from is to understand that selling and marketing your business has changed. Okay, you cannot just be waiting for only your family and friends. And I don't need to tell you that your family and friends, most times, they are not very supportive of what you do. I know it's painful, but you cannot really blame them, because they may just not need what it is that you are selling. That's just a hard truth. Family and friends may not need what it is that you're selling. So how do you now get in front of a larger number of people? TikTok and Instagram. If you have a small business this year 2024, go and pack yourself on TikTok, especially TikTok and Instagram. If you are just starting out, I would say TikTok, because on Instagram you need to have money to spend on adverts, and you also need to be very active on the platform. But I'm going to be showing you, if you don't know how to do it, I'm going to be showing you. I revived a dead page that I've not been using for over 5 years, okay, and I started using it again. So I'm just going to tell you things that I have learned and been practicing in the past 2-3 months, okay, on Instagram. So I'm Naija Content Guru, so you can go on our Instagram and follow us there if you are not following us there, and also on TikTok, Naija Content Guru. Go there. All right, now the very first thing you need to understand is that Instagram is a marketplace. What did I say? Instagram is a marketplace. If you are just using Instagram as just a normal social media platform, you are wrong. It is a marketplace. Their ideology is marketing, e-commerce, okay? E-commerce, that's their ideology on Instagram. So it is easier for you to get buying customers on Instagram, all right, unlike Facebook. Yeah, people sell on Facebook. It's just that Instagram is just much better. You have people who are willing to spend, as long as they see what it is that you are selling and they like it, they want to do. So if you are not using Instagram for your business, I want to encourage you. It is time to use Instagram for your business, for your small, whether you even have a shop, whatever it is that you are doing, you need to be using Instagram for your business in 2024. Now you may say, I want to use Instagram, but I don't know what to post. I don't know the type of content to post. Not a problem. I have created a product for you where we will give you 30 content ideas. We'll tell us what you do. We'll give you 30 content ideas. I'm going to put the link where you can purchase it. It is just 15,000 naira as at today. So if you see this video, it might increase, but right now it is 15,000 naira. You're a business person, you don't use Instagram at all, you want to begin to use Instagram for your business, just go 30 content ideas for your business. Once you make your payment, we will get notification it will bring you to our WhatsApp, so we'll discuss and know more what your business is about. Okay, once we know what your business is about, we'll be able to give you customized content for your business so that you can begin to post on Instagram. Now let's move on. Now the first thing you need to understand is that you have to have content about what it is that you are selling. Yes, because if people don't, what is content? Basically, a lot of people always think that content is one difficult thing. No, it is the video. Let's say you are selling this phone, the video of the phone. I am selling this phone. It can help you do XYZ, and you put it on Instagram, or you put a picture of it on Instagram, and you put the price. Now if you know your way around, which I believe that is why you are watching this video, people who need that thing will come and ask you that, oh, I like, and look, this world is big. There are a lot of strangers in this world. The world is so big. There will always be somebody that like what it is that you are selling. All right, so you have to sell. You have to show up and sell something. Don't be afraid that nobody's going to know me on this app. You just have to first of all put your thing in a way that it is enticing. Jonas, it has to be enticing. People have to like what it is that you are posting. Do you understand what I'm saying? So that's the very first thing. The second thing is that you need to be consistent on the platform. People have to know you. Apart from your goods that you are selling, don't just pack all your pictures alone and we cannot see you. We don't know the person behind the page. How do we know if the person is not a scammer? How do we know this? Because you have to understand that people who buy online, they are always afraid of, oh, let them not scam me. Let somebody not scam me. I'm afraid that somebody will scam me. Because there are a lot of scammers. So you need to show yourself that you need to see that this is a real human being. Do you understand? So if you are somebody that you like cooking, you like, just, it doesn't have to be everything on your page, but let them have that human connection on the page. Do you understand? It is very important, because maybe 4 or 5 years ago you could just put pictures and people will buy for you, but for now the trust value is very low. So you need to show yourself. You need to go live in 2024. What did I say? Go live. If you are a business person, whether you're on Instagram or any platform, go live to showcase your product. Because like I said, people need to trust that, okay, this page is a real page. It is not a scammer that is running this page, because a lot of people have been scammed or their hard-earned money selling or wanting to buy. So you are someone who is selling something. You need to show yourself that I'm a genuine person. And there are a lot of people that are selling. There are a lot of big names. So you have to fight for strangers to know that, okay, this person is genuine. You cannot just post pictures and you just go. For who now? Who are you posting it for? No, now who exactly are you posting it for? They've not seen the picture. They've seen the picture, but they need to know that, okay, this page is a real person that is behind this page. So if I pay my money, I know that, okay, this person is genuine. They will deliver my goods to me. They will deliver what I'm selling to me. Do you understand? So whatever I say, you need to go live frequently. Even if you cannot go live every day, twice a week, let your audience know that, okay, she's coming live, or you put it there and announce it. I'm going to be live so time. If you sell boutique, that time your audience, you know that, okay. And you see, also know that you have to be patient. Okay, you don't just think that you will come today and everybody would know. You have to be doing it over and over, rinse and repeat over and over and over and over again. People will now know that, oh, okay, this person is reliable. Some of you will just post one post in January. The next time we'll see you is sometime in December. Yes, now, because now you are looking for how to market on Instagram in January, because you say, okay, this year 2024 I must take social marketing on social media serious. Ungwanu, we will now see that you will post after you watch Nigeria Content Guru. Now the next time we will see you again is in December. It will not work that way. You have to always be there. Now you may have a busy routine. It may not always be easy for you to be there like every time, but have a schedule. Okay, if you can't have a schedule, hire somebody to do it for you. You people cannot, you use money to make money. You cannot be stingy. pay somebody to be your social media manager to do it for you in 2024. But if that you will not be active on your page, it's a lie. Oh, it's a big lie. You have to create content for your page. The next thing is that Instagram is always changing, so you can't, some things that you learned 5 years ago or 4 years ago, or some things that you do, it's not, you can't keep doing it. Do you understand? You have to evolve with the platform. Sometimes the platform will say, okay, they want to be seeing more authentic content. What does authentic content mean? You can, if for instance you are selling bags, don't go and be posting counterfeit products. That's why a lot of you lose your page. You go and collect Givenchy instead of Gucci, and you are not selling the original item. They will bring down your page. So you have to create authentic content, or you go and collect somebody's drop shipping pictures and you are putting on your page. Instagram will say this one is not a serious page. So you have to create genuine, authentic content. So you see, you cannot run away from content creation. Because some of you say, hey, I just want to sell my market, I'm not a content creator. If you want to sell on social media, you have to learn how to be a content creator. You cannot say, I'm not a content creator, I just want to say, that one cannot work in 2024. You have to at least, either you pay somebody like us now to come and create content for you. Do you understand? We do that, we offer that package. Check the description box. We can come, if you're in Abuja for instance, we come to your location, we'll create content, large number of content that you can be using. That one is there, but it will cost you. It's not cheap. Do you understand? Good. But if you are at that point in your life that you can pay for it, why not? Very good. Go to our description box, get our contacts, pay us. We'll come and create number of content for your business that you can be posting. That one save day. But if you are not at that point that you can afford that, you have to be a content creator. And by content creator, I'm not just talking about you just create funny videos. You're only creating funny videos, you know, all those filters and all those. That one is part of it, but that cannot be your entire strategy. That's why if you want to take your Instagram serious, to pay 15,000 naira cannot be a problem. Yes, now it can be a problem, because how much is 15,000 compared to what you are going to make? Because for instance, in our content plan product, we will look at your business. We will tell you the type of content you should be creating over and over again, because it is not to be creating new content every day, no, but there's a type of content that the people you want to sell to, it will connect with them. You understand me? It's going to connect with them. So this year 2024, you need to take your social selling, that's what I call it, your social selling, very, very serious, and you have to also be strategic. Finally, get comfortable with running adverts as a business person. I used to be like, are you sure adverts used to work? But to be honest, especially Instagram, because Instagram doesn't have really free traffic. They have free traffic, but it's not so free. So if you want to be in front of the people who need what it is that you are selling, those strangers that are going to buy from you, you need to get into running adverts. Get into running adverts for your business. You have to schedule money for it. Either you run adverts, or you make use of affiliates, or you make use of content creators. If you are looking for content creators to create content for you, please let me know in the comment section. All right, we have a group of content creators anywhere in Nigeria. They can come to your place to create content. Just let us know in the comment section. All right, so this 2024, your marketing, your online marketing, you have to take it serious. If you are using TikTok still has a lot of free traffic. Understand how the platform works. If you would like me to do a video on how you can begin to sell and market on TikTok because you don't know what to do, let me know in the comment section. I will make another video specially for you. So I'm going to end this video by saying, if you want to take your Instagram marketing serious, you want your content plan, all right, go to our profile and go to our website to go and get it. If you need guidance, send us a DM on Instagram. All right, if you have challenge with making payments on the website, send us a DM on Instagram and our people will help you. All right, thank you so much, guys. Remember to like, remember to subscribe for more content like this. And if you would like us to collaborate with your business to come and do a video in your business location, send us an email for a fee. It's not free, guys. It's not free. I will come and promote your business. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.